Kanun Menteri kala ajing menjur ke Meghalaya Taxi Aggregator Operational Rules banteklah kami ke Shaka ke Kamai hak jelam Meghalaya. Menteri rangba uloong baya kenekaan ladak ban menjur naduk ke senam arhajar arpho. Ndrai amsyam nathau pat iki rules kumta menta ke Sorkar ladak ban thau no yaki rules. Uloong bakat kum ki rules ka jingsyam ka bay license nagi reusimet ban nagi company ki bapeniat yakini ki Shaka ke Kamai kan long hinyo spa tengka hak sisnam na kawai ke tok bat lai spa tengka ya ka bay permit kata lada ke jing Kamai ke long tang hak kawai ke nongba negi district. Ndrai lada ke jing Kamai ke long hak jelab kawai kumta ke jing siu kan long khat lai spa tengka bat spa tengka ka bay permit. Ukonrat kongkal sangma uloong bagi Sorkar keladap ru ban pinkre ekador ban syim ikin yong syong tok Kamai kata 10 tengka na kebenta 10 kilometer. Bat san tengka na kebenta ki kilometer ki berbuat bat kajing bat ya ki tok Kamai kan syong sau tengka na kebenta manla ka san minit. Uloong bagi Sorkar kan penstom de kebateng ikitu ki basyim dor palat pot na kinong syong ki tok na ki kali bat ki patba ki debet ujor kenang bagi Sorkar kan yok manle ya ka badan kam ya kini ki basyim palat pot ya ka dor ka balabu.
But the rules were not framed, hence we have finally framed the rules, and hence there will be a basic license fee for individuals or companies, aggregators who would like to have this service. License fee of 700 rupees per year will be charged for per vehicle, and a permit fee of 700 or 300 if they are to operate from a specific location, which means a city or a district or a region. And if they were to operate throughout the state, then the amount would be 1300 rupees as license fee, and permit would be 200 only. So permit will be 200. I'm sorry, I said 300 for the permit. Permit is 200. So apart from these permits and license fees, which these aggregators, these are for the, as you said, even the two-wheeler aggregators. So this was set. We also finalized the rates at which the vehicles, the passengers will have to can be charged. So the rate is, the proposed fare is 10 rupees for the first kilometer and 5 rupees for subsequent kilometers, and a holding charge of 4 rupees for every 5 minutes. So this has been also finalized for the bike taxi. And obviously all these rules also come with basic rules that they should follow. Like for example, the app should be there, the GPS should be there, proper registration should be there, the identification of the driver should be available, and safety measures should be followed in every bike. So all those aspects have been put in detail in the rules, the Meghalaya Taxi Aggregator Operational Rules.